Ighodalo and Osadio Ogie for PDP. For the Ighodalo, the two Ighodalo, I want to thank you again because and give me strength to talk for here today. You know, say the two Ighodalo don't assure me say this election, Ovia will not be. With that, I don't stand Gidigba. I get confidence for this election. Really, Ovia will not. Even the task when the two Ighodalo give us, we the other one we don't they run now because the Ighodalo tell us say they go disgrace us because now there people who are said they not go fit. They don't assure me say make we relax our man. Say this election are for PDP. APC not get level for Ovia Southwest again. My Excellency, I must confess to you, for the past election, Ovia Southwest they deliver well. But I want to tell you now the truth today, where the problem they come, we don't resolve it. Now when our people don't deliver their vote, they don't secure their vote from their unit to their ward. If you don't come that small house here, when would they call our neck? Now there our brother will come, they cry, say they want to rig my election. We say go they support that and say this man not be light. But this time, we all now go gather crowd there that day. If the crowd don't too much, if our neck not feel as often, maybe they go send to Benin, maybe they can carry us to Benin. We assure you people, as your vote they come from what to from unit to what to hit our local coalition center, we go defend our vote. I want to assure you people for that. Thank you.
Southwest. I'm not here now. PDP. Asue for governor. Eyes on. Eyes on. Ovia Southwest, oh yeah. As we just enter Ovia ENDBADGIN, PDP! We not come campaign for here because we don't say Ovia Southwest na PDP. The only thing when we can't tell you now, when I, the Chief Security Officer of Edo State, can't tell you now, say, for this election, they're not going to rig us for Ovia Southwest. For that coalition center, for Governorship, if they try what they try before, I don't want to talk what will happen. But don't no fear. Your votes will count. Your vote will count. Because we know who you will vote for. And we know why you will vote the way you will vote. The people who are there now, the person went there from una local government. Now me, I put on there. Now for here, now I raise the hand. So, picking office a bit passing, Papa. Make una not fear. I don't reach level where now only wait to listen. We don't reach level when we say now only people when sabi now we go allow. Una here? We not go allow cultists. We don't pass that stage. When I see the College of Agriculture when we put here, why we put them? We want to train our children. Make them get handwork. Make them feed themselves. Make them grow to be better people. See the companies when we don't bring. Una get Okomu. Una get rubber estates. Many more don't line up when one come. Now only person when you know business, when you don't do work, now they go trust to come. What will they find? Not be food, not be work, not be better for our children. That's not waiting will they find for a dough. We don't want anybody when go take us back. We don't pass Agbero stage. Now the progress we want. And the only person today, when they contest, when we know, nah. This rain, as I raise the hand, we don't see say rain come. Now showers of blessing. God don't do it for us. As well as your governor, he will not talk to you. PDP! As well for governor! You know, make I talk something. I'm happy to be back home. Many of you know. Many of you don't know. For more than 10 years, I've been director for the board of Okomu. Now me be the director for the board of Okomu, where decide say Nigerians go dey top. When we first reach here, they were both full there. Now I talk to what they do. How you go full here when we did Nigeria here? So we get HR manager, production manager, all Nigerians. So I've been a Pekin. Even I cut my hand and blood come out, and I go see Ijaw blood, and I go see Benin blood, and I go see Esan blood, and I go see Igbo blood, and I go see Yoruba blood. I've been a Pekin. So I don't come house. May I tell you something? The love of the people where Obaseki gets, the love of the people where Osarodio gets, the love of the people where by God's grace I get. Now that love we go take show all of una here. By that love, this our Ovia Southwest go hammer. God don't give us great things. God give us good soil. God give us good resources. God give us people who get sense. The only way God they ask us to do, we say we gather everything. Maybe we choose leader who get sense. When we choose leader who get sense, the rest go up, no more go down. I don't say they rain, I don't want to make them beat us too much, but make I talk through here. All of us, when we don't take our hand, bring bad thing for ourselves. Some people go deceive you, say they bomb me here, because they bomb me here. Asue Ighodalo DJ, thank you,